Hello everyone, welcome to day 7 of the 7 days course on how to build a chatbot with no code. God rested on that day, but a tanuki never rests. So we are back on for the last item on the menu, entities. What are entities? Entities are the cherry on top of the AI cake. Let's say you sell fruits. Your customer tells you, I want to buy an apple. The intent is buying. Since you sell fruits, you know it's not about cars, but you would like to know what kind of fruits. That's what entities are about. They help you specify your customer intent. If your user tells you, I want a raw gala, you can extract from the conversation what type of fruit you need to add to its basket. If you sell train tickets, departure city, destination city, the time of the request, etc. That's all important entities you need to extract. This is exactly the problem Mr. Nuki is having at the moment. The little tanukis love to have fruit as a snack, and they have a lot of questions about that. But Mr. Nuki is too tired to answer the question, so he decided the chatbot would take over. Glenn will show you now how to create entities and how to use them. Glenn, your turn.
Alright, now, concerning entities, you can think of these as objects, things, items, anything with a name. Let's say for example, we can create a category called fruits. In the fruit category, we'll create two entities, apples and bananas. These are simple products that a customer might want to ask for when doing grocery shopping. Don't forget to add synonyms too. Someone might want to buy just one apple or banana, so let's add them. Synonyms should be separated by a semicolon. This is important to note. After creating these entities, let's tag them in our intents. So let's head over to that area. Remember how intents work? They are basically sentences that people might type when asking for something like, I want to buy an apple. Simply highlight the word apple and tag the entity by selecting the entity named apples. Do the same for I am looking for bananas. Highlight and tag. It's that easy. Once you're done, click on the update button right here. This will update your Dialogflow project. Now that you have set up the AI part, let's take a look at how to redirect users when intents are detected. Go to the settings tab and head to the AI usage area. In this area, you can create rules whenever intents and entities are detected. For our example, let's say a customer types, I want to buy an apple. First, we have to store the entities. Go to overall storage and store the entities under fruits. This will store the user's input in data names. The AI will detect what goes in what category automatically. Let's continue with our bot. Go to the testing section. I'll let you connect this bubble to your bot. You can do it yourself now. In your bubble, use the entity value that will be detected. Click this bubble to a comparison bubble. We want to redirect the user to an apple cart when the user wants an apple, and to the fruits cart when the entity is not apple. So, create a bubble named entity detection of a comparison type. Then you know the rest. If the entity value is apple, take them to the apples bubble, and if it's false, redirect them to the all fruits bubble. That's it. You've just mastered AI. Now, you can create paths according to the user's intents and also according to entities, which means an even more precise bot. Now that you are familiar with the concept, let's take a look at a good practice. Just in case the intent is detected, but no entities are detected, we need to think of a backup plan. If a customer just types, I want to buy, the intent called buying food would be detected, but no entity would be detected. For this, let's add another rule. Go back to settings and to AI usage. Toggle detect intent with NLP and add a new intent. First, select the buying food intent. Second, select whatever under entity. Third, let's put in place a general bubble so that the bot won't get lost. Let's call this bubble all food. We will add an option for the customer to select either apples or bananas. This way, if neither apples nor bananas were detected, the customer will still be able to make a choice.
We have done it. The 7 days course on how to build a chatbot with no code is now over. I think we have covered the most important concepts in relationship with chatbot building. You can be proud of the result you achieved in so little time. From simple automation to advanced AI while connecting your chatbot to external tools, you have learned about all aspects of chatbot building. If you have any questions, please have a look at the forum, use the support bot in the platform, or send us an email at 7dayscourse@ideta.io. Now, in order to go further, you should have a look at this article that shows how to plan your own chatbot. It was a pleasure to be with you during this course. See you soon.